Hey guys, Carl here with MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today I got the joy of showing you the brand new Harris Grand Mariner 25 footer. As you can see, there is a lot going on with this boat between the lighting and the luxury items. We'll go through a little bit of it. And biggest and most importantly, Mercury 350 horsepower power here really pushes this boat down. Let's take a look down the side. As you'll see, underneath lighting throughout the entire thing, that is adjustable. You can make that whatever color you like. And as we move our way forward, you'll see accent lighting throughout the entire boat as we go, but all LED lighting really sets this boat apart from everybody else on the water. Makes it a very big eye catcher. And let's take a look on top. All right guys, up on board here, as you will notice, a ton of seating here for you, your entire entourage, whoever you may want to take out to enjoy the day. Backlit lighting throughout your speakers, cup holders. Up here in the bow, you have 8 cup holders built into the boat, and obviously you can add more with certain features, but all backlit, beautiful, plenty of time and plenty of space for whoever you may want to bring with you. If you are just a few of you and you want to turn it into a lounge and enjoy the sun, enjoy the views from the bow of the boat, you can do that as well. And as we work our way back, you'll see ski locker storage in the floor, plenty of storage for whatever you may want to take with you out on the water and enjoy. Really cool feature over here, you've got a really nice sink, a nice prep station if you want to build a lunch for you and the family or whoever may be with you. You got a dedicated spot for that right here off the port side. At the helm, oversized captain's chair, and as you'll see here, I'll point out, very nice stitching throughout this boat. You'll get this on that Grand Mariner, and that's all the seating as well. Dual SIM-RADs on your dash that will come equipped with your depth finder, charts, graphs, anything you may need. If you want to go for a long trip, you've got the tools to do it there. And as you'll see over here, and I should point out on your top as well, you'll see again more accent lighting. All of this can be adjusted with the turn of a dial to whatever color you may want. A really big eye catcher if you're out on the water, especially at night. You're going to attract some attention. That's what you get with the Grand Mariner by Harris. As we pull back, more seating, pile of seating. This boat rated for 12 people. This is in the lounge position, so you can fit multiple bodies here. Looking back off the back of the boat here at the views, or just enjoying the sun, getting some sunbathing going on. But of course, this is adjustable as well and can work both ways. We don't want to forget, and I'll mention again, 350 horsepower Mercury outboard, a ton of horsepower to get you where you want to go or come in if you want to come in a hurry. But beautiful boat by Harris, again, the Grand Mariner 25 footer. We have it here in stock at the Panama City Beach store. Give me a call. My name's Carl. My cell phone number is 334-695-6035. I'd love to show it to you. Thank you.